Hi guys. Hey, wanted to do a video about a upcoming build I'm gonna have coming here shortly. I've had this kit for quite a while, and it needs no introduction. The good old General Lee. Unfortunately, it the box art doesn't have the flag on the top, so it's not really a General Lee, but you know. But anyway, no, I got this several years ago and haven't started the build yet. The one thing that I find most screwed up with this kit is it has a fastback rear window, like a Superbird, when it should, the back window should come down further in and have a bigger package tray, or not package tray, but the piece between the back window and the deck lid, like an actual 69 Charger. But yeah, there's the body. Instructions, basic AMT kind of setup. The decals with the flag. So I'll have all that on there. Definitely gotta have the flag on there. It's not General Lee. The interior parts. There's the inside. Kind of basic. Got a lot of flash and stuff inside that. I mean, it's an old kit, so you gotta expect that. There's the engine compartment and the chassis underside. Here's the engine oil pan, water pump, headers, part of the roll bar. Driver and passenger seat, the rear axle, firewall, the General Lee's push bar, radiator and radiator support, piece of roll bar, a couple pieces of roll bar actually, and the other side of the roll cage. Your motor parts, gas tank, which don't really make a lot of sense because I thought there was a gas tank on there already molded in. Yeah, gas tank already molded in. I wonder what's up with that. The wheels, center console, hood, the front headlight covers, steering wheel, dashboard. That's pretty much for that bag. All your chrome stuff, wheels and grill, and glass, back window, front window. And of course tires and wheels, or not tires and taillights. I mean axle. But yeah, it's gonna be a fun little build. Gonna do it as the first General Lee 1. Gonna do it as that. It's gonna take a little while to do it, but it's gonna have like the different the wheel wells were kind of like a green because the car was originally green that they used for the first General Lee. It had a full roll cage in it, where later on in the show it was just the roll bar. you know, different things like that. But yeah, it's gonna be a fun build. Gonna have some fun with it. And it's, of course, definitely getting the flag and everything like it should have. You know, because like I said, it just makes the General Lee. Also, I have got, push this aside. I don't know what in the heck I did with the body of this, but I've got a second General Lee that I started many years ago. And I don't know what I did with the body. I painted the body, I wrapped it up in some plastic, I put it somewhere so it wouldn't get screwed up, and I have misplaced it. So, this one here is another General Lee kit I'm doing, and I just got the main bar and everything in the back, got the seats and stuff already done. Got the one of the wheels just sitting on there. I got some stuff to do to that yet, but a little bit of the build already started. Motors more or less done. Got to paint the transmission and stuff. Got to do some work on that one yet. But yeah, just the second General Lee kit that I got, and once I find the body to it, I'll get that one done. I have no idea what I did with it. Absolutely have no idea. It's somewhere. I know I wouldn't have thrown it out, but yeah. So these are my two General Lees, and definitely gonna have a good time building them. I tell you, now that I kind of got back into the hobby again, been away from it for so long. It's going to be a lot of fun to get back into. So anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the unboxing of this, and I will do some work on it here down the road and keep you guys updated. So thanks a lot. Have a good day. Stay safe, and if this is your first time watching, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for checking it out. And please like and comment, and definitely subscribe. I'm trying to get this channel built up, and definitely appreciate you guys' help. So thanks a lot. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.